Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Creatine HCL versus Mono. Creatine is a widely used supplement known for boosting muscle strength and athletic performance. We'll explore the key differences between creatine monohydrate and creatine hydrochloride. This comparison will help you understand their unique benefits, recommended dosages, and overall cost-effectiveness, so you can make an informed decision for your fitness goals. Creatine monohydrate is considered the gold standard, backed by decades of extensive research confirming its effectiveness and safety. It's also generally more affordable, making it a popular choice for many. The typical daily dose is 3 to 5 grams, though some users opt for a loading phase of 20 to 25 grams for 5 to 7 days. While effective, some individuals might experience mild water retention or minor digestive discomfort. Creatine hydrochloride, or HCl, is known for its superior water solubility and absorption compared to monohydrate. This enhanced solubility may lead to less bloating and digestive discomfort, making it a preferred option for those with sensitive stomachs. While some claims suggest lower doses are effective, research indicates a daily dose of 1.5 to 3 grams is often recommended, typically without a loading phase. When deciding between creatine monohydrate and HCl, consider your priorities. Monohydrate is the most studied, proven, and budget-friendly option for most people. However, if you experience digestive issues or prefer a smaller daily intake, HCl could be a great alternative, despite its higher cost. Both forms effectively support muscle growth and strength. Remember to check the description for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and reach your fitness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.